The DJI Air 3 is a compact and foldable drone designed for both beginner and professional photographers and videographers. It features the first dual primary camera system in the Air series, with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a 1/1.3-inch CMOS 3x medium telephoto camera, both providing consistent image quality and dynamic imaging possibilities. Capable of capturing 48-megapixel photos and 4K HDR video at up to 100 frames per second, the DJI Air 3 ensures high-quality visuals. With a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, this drone allows for extended aerial shooting sessions. It is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, enhancing safety by avoiding collisions. The O4 HD video transmission system offers a stable and reliable connection, supporting a maximum video transmission distance of up to 20 kilometers. Special features include intelligent flight modes, quick shots, subject tracking, and enhanced safety measures. The DJI Air 3 also comes with various accessories like ND filters, propeller guards, and power adapters, adding to its versatility. The inclusion of new controllers, the DJI RC2 and DJI RCN2, provides improved control options. Overall, the DJI Air 3 is a versatile and powerful drone ideal for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. Its advanced features and ease of use make it suitable for hobbyists and professionals alike, offering a high-quality option for diverse aerial content creation needs.